A violent hailstorm pushed through McAllen last night, leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage to homes, vehicles, and businesses in North McAllen. The storm rolled in about 9 p.m. and stayed with a force so violent that destruction was inevitable. Driving through the storm was extremely dangerous, and looking out of the vehicle seemed like driving through an iceberg. The hail lasted approximately 45 minutes, but once that was over, the rain kept coming. Things were finally settling around 2 a.m., but the damage had been done already. Valley Voice will continue to have updates of the total damage and how citizens of McAllen are pulling through during the cleanup phase.